Hi everyone. Today I want to talk about my research topic. Do you, maybe you are familiar with the test or test score, right? And usually set your test score as a single score, like overall score. But this score didn't provide specific information. So in order to provide more specific information, I would like to suggest give to the sub-score with the total score. At that point, what is sub-score? You think about many situations in our education. For example, in the mathematics test, there are some algebra or geometry or calculus. Those could be the sub-score. Or regarding the general cognitive skill like problem solving or the relating decision skill, that could be also sub-score. So why should I the sub-score? With the help of the sub-score, I can provide more specific information like student-specific feedback, student strengths and weakness, and potential remedial and instructional benefit. So I would like to suggest this sub-score. But actually the sub-score is a lack of the quality in testing program. So in order to improve their quality of the sub-score, some previous researchers suggest alternatives like automatic sub-score or weighted sub-score or estimate from the multidimensional item response theory model or the diagnostic classification model. I would like to focus on both two of them, MIT and TCM. They regard the multiple dimensions of the ability, but they have a main difference in terms of the scale of the ability and the sample size. The scale of the ability in MIT is continuous, but TCM is categorical. But MIT needs more large sample size, but TCM is fewer sample size but complex statistics. So as they have different estimation process and ability scale, depending on the situation, the test program choose the more appropriate model in order to get the accurate sub-score. So by integrating the main points of the sub-score, MIRT, and CDM, I would like to address my research question is to find a reason in whether that from the MIT solution corresponds to the latent class model, especially in terms of the classification accuracy and whether the sub-score had added value over the total score. So if both results are conducted successfully, I would expect to provide more evidence about the more accurate sub-score with psychometric quality like reliability, validity, and distinctivity, and provide advice for test developers like how to write their test item or how to construct their test. So last but not least, my research project is to provide more parsimonious model depending on the situation if both model results are similar. So thank you for attention.